Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tintin. And on this channel, we talk all about careers, real-life job experiences, and how to make smart choices in your work journey, especially in the food and hospitality industry. Today's video is super helpful if you're currently job hunting or planning to apply to a restaurant position here in the Philippines. We're diving into the best restaurant to apply for in 2025, plus real tips that help you stand out and actually get hired. So if you're tired of submitting resume and hearing nothing back, this video is for you. What to look for in a good restaurant job? Let's be real. Not all restaurant jobs are created equal. Some will train you and help you grow, while others might just burn you out. So before you apply anywhere, here are 5 important things to look for in a restaurant job. Good management. You're not just looking for a paycheck. You want to be treated with respect. A team that supports you makes all the difference. Clear growth path. Does the restaurant promote from within? Can you move to a supervisor, manager, or even corporate level? These things matter. Fair pay plus benefits. Check if they offer service charge splits, stop meals, health insurance, or even tips. Training and support. Especially if you're new, choose places that provided proper training and orientation. Healthy work culture. Avoid toxic environment. If the team is happy and works well together, it's usually a great sign. Okay, now we're counting down my top 10 best restaurants to work for here in the Philippines for 2025. This is not my usual list. This is based on real feedbacks, actual experiences, and my own journey working in some of these places. Number 10. Starbucks Philippines. Let's start with the good of Starbucks. They offer great benefits, even for part-timers, and their training is top-notch. If you're into coffee culture and customer interaction, this is a great place to build strong people skills. Plus, they're known for being inclusive and respectful to their staff, something that really matters. Number 9. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Conti's has that homey, calm vibe that makes it ideal for people who want a more stable, quiet workspace. They're organized, clean, and management is usually very fair. If you're someone who prefers structure and routine over chaos, this might be the one for you. Number 8. Ramen Nagi. Okay, if you're more on the kitchen side, like gusto mo talagang mahasa sa food prep, discipline systems, Ramen Nagi is a great option. I've talked to a few people who work there and they said the environment is very structured. It's strict, yes, but not toxic. If you're planning to go abroad in the future, this kind of training and discipline will really give you on the edge. They expect a lot, but if you're willing to learn, you'll gain so much from them. Number 7. Wildflower Cafe and Bakery. Wildflower is for those who want to work in an upscale, classy environment. Alam mo yung mga social na cafe with beautiful interiors? Yup, that's Wildflower. But what makes it good place to work is not just the look, it's the culture. They treat their people with respect. They offer opportunities for growth, and because you're serving premium customers, the tips are usually generous. If you're the type who likes polished service and high standards, this one's a great place to aim for. Number 6. Mary Grace Cafe. Now, if you're someone who prefers a more peaceful, family-style environment, you might like working at Mary Grace. Their team culture is so warm and respectful. A lot of first-timers starts here because the training is clear, the schedule are consistent, and the workload is manageable. And one thing I really admire is how they value their people. It's not flashy place, but if you're offer stability and supportive workplace, this is one of the best options. Number 5, 8 Cuts, Manam, the Moment Group. I've heard nothing but good things about the Moment Group. Their brands are modern, innovative, and they treat staff with professionalism. They also pay well, and there's a room to move up, transfer brands under their umbrella. If you want a company with a future, this one's a good pick. Number 4, Army Navy Burger and Burrito. Army Navy may look simple, pero don't underestimate it. They get solid system, and their operation are fast but fair. You're not treated like just a number here. If you're a team player and reliable, they value you. Plus, their shift scheduling usually organized, perfect for students or part-timers. Number 3, Jollibee Food Corporation. Of course, we cannot forget the Jollibee Group. I started working in Jollibee when I was in college as a smart. Whether it's Jollibee, Chowking, Mang Inasal, they offer some of the best long-term opportunities out there. They're everywhere, so you can apply almost anywhere in the country. And they're known for offering full benefits, 13-month pay, and clear career growth paths. I actually know people who started as service crew are now restaurant manager. So if you're serious about building a stable career, or you're a student looking for a part-time work, this is a great company to start with. Number 2, Vikings Luxury Buffet. Let's start with Vikings. Kung gusto mo ng experience sa fast-paced, high-volume setting, this is it. This place is busy, but guess what? With the busyness comes with big service charge and really good tips. Their training is no joke either. They'll really teach you how to move efficiently and handle pressure. And I love how their management is hands-on. They don't just leave you hanging. If you're the type who's hungry for growth and can handle pressure, Vikings is a solid start. Alright, ito na ang pinaka-iintay nyo. My top 1 pick for 2025 is the Bistro Group. Honestly, super personal itong choice na to because I actually work here myself. I started as a waitress and later on got promoted to bartender in Outback Steakhouse way back 2001. Yes, it wasn't always easy, pero the support, the training, and the people I work with, it made all the difference. Restaurant like TGI Fridays in Italianis have that fun, high-energy environment. It's a bit demanding, yes, pero sobrang fulfilling. You'll grow both as a worker and as a person. They're big on internal promotions, and kung makikita nila may potential ka, they will train you, guide you, and promote you. I was lucky na they gave me the chance, and there's something I'll always be grateful for. Sahod, competitive. Tips and service charge, malaki, lalo na sa weekends. But what I value the most was how they push me to grow and they believe in me. So if you're looking for a restaurant job where you can start small and dream big, the Bistro Group is my number 1. Tips to get hired. Okay, so now that you know where to apply, let's talk about the real game changer. How do you actually get the job? Because let's be honest, ang dami nating naghahanap ng work. Kaya if you want to stand out, you need to be one step ahead. Here are my personal tips that I've learned from experience and from helping others get hired too. Ready? Let's go! Number 1, update your resume. Simple lang, but super important. Make sure it's clean, updated, and easy to read. Focus on anything related to customer service, food service, or teamwork. Even it's not restaurant related, it shows you can deal with people or work under pressure. No need for long stories. Keep it short, pero solid. Number 2, bring the right energy. I'm telling you, sometimes it's not about the experience. It's your smile, your vibe, your willingness to learn. Yung tipong kahit wala ka pang experience pero eager ka, respectful ka, and you show good attitude. Employers will notice that. Remember, skills can be trained, but attitude, mahirap yan turuan. Number 3, practice the common interview questions. Kung ayaw mong mental block sa harap ng hiring managers, practice ka na ngayon lang. Here are few you can expect. First, tell me about yourself. Second, why do you want to work here? And third, how do you handle a rude customer? Make sure your answers are honest and natural. Don't memorize word for word. Just know your story and say it with confidence. Number 4, walk in early. First impression matter. If you show up early, it shows you're serious and professional. Minsan pa nga you'll be prioritized because you arrive on time. Number 5, bring complete requirements. Prepare this ahead of time. Resume, 2x2 photo, valid ID, barangay or NBI clearance kung meron ka na. It shows na ready ka talaga. Trust me, they notice these little things. Number 6, observe the restaurant first. If you can, visit the place before you apply. Order something, observe the staff, feel the vibe. Are they smiling? Do they look stressed? That give you a sneak peek into how they treat their employees. Remember, you're not just applying, you're choosing to. Number 7, don't settle for less. This is the most important one. If the salary is too low, if the hours are unfair, or something just feels off, listen to your gut. You deserve to be a place that respects your time, your work, and your value. Hindi mo kailangan magtiis sa toxic para lang kumita. So there you have it. My top restaurant recommendation and the practical tips to help you land a job you'll actually enjoy. Working in the restaurant industry can be intense, but it's also one of the most rewarding experience. You build confidence, develop people skills, and open doors to even bigger opportunities. Always remember, it's not just about the salary. It's about the people, the training, the culture, and how they help you grow. Let me know in the comments if you work in any of these places or if you have more restaurants to recommend. Your experience might help someone else. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck with your application. And remember, you deserve to work in a place that values you.